as a producer, if there's any aspiring producers in the room, which I know there are, the most important thing you can do in the early stages is have your paperwork in order. And specifically, I mean optioning the script that you're working on. So if your intention is to make a movie, even if it's your friend, your homie, etc., find an option agreement, a very simple option agreement. You can find them on the internet pretty easily. It should be short and sweet. Pay them $1 to control that script for however much time y'all both feel comfortable with. If that's 12 months, if that's 18 months, etc., I would suggest at least 12 months with an option to increase it by another 6 months if you pay another whopping $1 check, right? But make sure you do that, and make sure you do it as a check so that there's a printed copy of the tender that was exchanged, and make sure they cash it, right? All those things are important because when it's time to take the movie out, if you're a young producer like I was at the time with no experience other than school, you could be written off as, oh, that's just so-and-so's homie that he or she has on there as a producer. But that's not fair if you've actually been doing the work and actually developing it and trying to get it made.